Hi, I'm Dr. Sunil Richardson. I'm a craniofacial surgeon practicing out of South India and also out of the Middle East in the city of Muscat. Today I'm going to answer a couple of common questions that have been asked to us on various media. One, are hair transplants for life? And two, why do they fail? Now the first question, are hair transplants for life? Yes, they are for life. The main reason is because we are transplanting the permanent hair follicle from the back of the head and from the side for up to 1 centimeter above the tip of the pinna. Those are the permanent hair follicles, and you will see, if you observe carefully, those follicles never fall. How much ever a person can turn bald, these follicles tend to remain. So because we are taking those follicles and transplanting them to the area that we need, either a scar on the lip or the eyebrow or mainly on the front of the head or the vertex, that's for life. Once the transplanted hair starts to grow, these follicles necessarily never die. They go on and on till the person is alive. So that's the first part of the answer. The second thing is, then why do they fail? Well, it's a surgery. It's a fine surgery. You have to ensure that the follicle, meaning the hair follicle, has the entire length has to be removed. If you cut the follicle while you're harvesting it, or if you don't place it properly while you're transplanting it, or let's say you do a proper harvesting and a proper transplanting, but you leave it outside for too long and it can die in that transition period. So there are many factors that actually are necessary for a perfect result. Now we here at Richardsons also have a team. What are the advantages for a team? Hair transplantation needs a team because one person cannot do all. The reason for the team is to reduce the time, reduce the mistakes, and also you have different specialists giving it their inputs. For example, we have a dermatologist here, we have an anesthesiologist also during our hair transplantation. We also tend to do them in the operating theatre because safety is important. It may not be a major surgery in the sense that we don't need to give general anesthesia for patients, but it's a long drawn surgery under local anesthesia. For 3,500 follicles, even out here where we have 6 people working, it takes us not less than 4 to 5 hours, and sometimes even longer because some patients can bleed more. So keeping all of this in mind, we have to ensure that all of these things are done with absolute safety. So we do them only in the operating theatre with the anesthesiologist with us. We're monitoring the patient's vitals and everything, and then there's a teamwork. So when you do these procedures, taking all care, ensuring that the follicles don't get sliced or split, and then don't keep them out too long, transplant them perfectly, and then the success is higher. I still don't say 100%. That's not feasible. Let's say you take 3,500 follicles and you get 90% success, that's still good because you're going to get 3,200 follicles growing in the new place, roughly. But if you're going to get only 50% success, that ain't no good. So that's the bottom line. You do a surgery perfectly with a perfect team. You take all the precautions and the safety, have a team on board, and then take the right follicles. Even if you need more follicles, you mustn't come and harvest follicles that aren't permanent. In that case, you're making sure that the hair grows back and the patient is happy in the long term. There's a lot of hair as the expectation is, and of course, this is lifelong. Thank you.